Welcome to this new episode to our series about develops. Develops no, about DevOps on Linux, and in this certain mini series about how to handle ACL or access control list. In this episode, we are going to make a remark again about the mask information, and also we are going to cover how to remove all the ACL and also how to assign ACLs to user. That is pretty easy, but it's important. So this is the second part. Remember, this is a mini series about 3 parts. In the last part, the next episode, we are going to cover an example. We're going to see or look the different and notice if there are really change about the permissions once we set a certain mask, or if we are a user or a user from a group. So I hope this mini series is being helpful for you, and so we are going to continue with this. To start, we are going to assign ACL about from user to a file. In this case, the team folder. As you can see, I changed the folder permission to see a bit difference between them. So remember, sudo c set f ACL. In this case, m. Remember, we have m, x, and the new one is d to remove all the ACL policies. In this case, we are going to agree a new one, and also in this episode we are going to set the mask policy to notice the different and how the get ACL change. So we are going to use the U because we are going to assign the ACL to an user. Remember, we have the group, the U, the others, and the mask. In this case, we are going to use U, and the username in this case is Chrislo, and the last one is the permission. To notice the different ones, we all apply the mask. We are going to assign Chrislo can perform whatever they want over the team folder, and in this case is read, write, and execute about team. So let's see again, maybe the noticeable change, everything about the plus character and the get FCL theme. And as you can see, we have the user Chrislo. So the remark about mask is by default the mask takes the highest permission between all the users and group, but not for the author. That means this read, write, execute is thanks by the Chrislo user, but the author always can perform whatever they want. Doesn't matter if the mask is the mask is something like that, no permissions. The user can perform whatever they want, and that is the reason why the user doesn't change the automatic mask. Remember, the mask in the automatic form is about to works like, hey, what is the highest permission I give or have been given in a folder on a file. For example, if you see in this way, you see, okay, it looks others can perform action, but once you see the plus character, you see and notice, hey, one more than user or group have a special permission thanks to ACL policies. So let's see what policies they have, and maybe if I just want to know the max, how can I say this, the max the highest permission was given in this folder, I can use the get FACL and grep with the mask. Okay, I forgot that the folder, and as you can see, we have this. Maybe this is not clear at all, because if you don't remember if this mask was assigned automatically or manually, well, I don't know if this is manual or automatic. So that means the highest permission per user or group is the read, write, and execute, or by default this was the basic mask assigned to this folder. So let's change the mask and see the difference. First of all, let's see, oh my goodness, the theme mask, and as you can see, nothing important at this moment. But let's assign a mask to this folder using sudo set facl m modify, and in this case we are going to use the m again. The mask doesn't have a specific name, so it doesn't matter, and in this case we are going to specify what will be the mask and what will be the highest permission that someone can use in this folder or file, but not the author file or folder. So we are going to be maybe radical, and I am going not give anything about permission for the theme folder. So once we perform this operation, let's see get facl theme again, and you notice something about the mask. The mask change is not automatically at all, and also you see the Crislo user, it's supposed that it can perform whatever they want, but the mask is active or is effective in this case. And as you can see, doesn't matter if Crislo can read, write, or execute, the mask is telling, hey, you can't perform anything. So you can't perform anything. So that is the mint, or that is the mean about the mask. So I hope this video was helpful. At the least we are going to finish removing all the ACL policies, and in this way also, if you want to reset the mask, the only way I found and how to remove the mask or set the automatic values is just removing all the ACL policies. And in this way we have to use set facl and use the b. Remember, m add, x remove one, or b remove all the ACL policies, and in this case the folder theme. And as you can see, for example, lsl, you see the plus character is no longer available. And also if you use get ACL theme, and as you can see, there is no more information right there. So I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next episode where we are going to see a practical exercise. Bye bye.